Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. It is a short notice live, but I just felt like doing it this evening. Hope you're all doing well. How are we all? The crypto markets are going freaking parabolic at the moment. It's a beautiful time in the crypto world, ladies and gents, that is for sure. How is everybody going? Welcome everybody to the live stream. It is 10 p.m. here in Melbourne. I can see all of your comments there. Let me know where you're from around the world as well. I haven't done this for a while. I have literally been working my my ass off for Earn Curve. This is no joke. And by the way, we're live, so it is as raw and real as it gets. I have been working so freaking hard. Like, I'm talking 16 hours, 17-hour days. I'm actually not kidding. Because the time difference here in Melbourne is an absolute nightmare to do business internationally, put it that way, all right? So in Australia, I've got to get up at the crack of dawn for the United States, then late at night for European markets and brokers and dealers. It's just nuts. So it's a lot of work, so make sure you let me know where you're from around the world watching from. Hopefully the internet connection's all right here and you can hear me clearly. And by the way, I do have my limoncello here because it's 10 o'clock. All right, we've got a few people here. We've got 61 people watching at the moment. We've got Jesse. Love the hat, brother. Yeah, thank you. I just got this one. Why's my camera like this? It's a bit weird. I got this new one. How cool is it? Freaking grouse. I love it. I love it. So thank you. We've got Ray's good evening. We've got Caleb in the house. We've got Mark from Melbourne right here. We've got Andres from Poland in the house. We've got Arizona in the house. England, dude. That's awesome, David. Welcome. UK. We've got the UK, Marcus as well. South Coast. Flat Packs. Kamir. New South Wales. Is that how I pronounce it? I get it wrong. Let's have a look here. What do we else we got? We've got Northeast USA here, 6 a.m. in the morning. Good morning. We've got Diamond Rough, Kentucky. We've got South Coast, New South Wales in the house. Holland. It's incredible. We've got Tennessee. Good morning, Carol from Tennessee. Gold Coast, Macedonia. Good morning from Gisborne. That's awesome. Don't sleep on HBAR and ADA. No, that's for sure. Do not sleep on those two gems right there. Sydney's in the house. Brisbane, Alice. We've got Alan from Springbok Country. Steve, WA, how you going? It's Kamir, K-A-M-R. It's a long day, so forgive me if I can't pronounce it right. Darwin in the house. I haven't been to Darwin in a while. I've been actually twice to Darwin, man. It's so hot up there. We've got North Dakota in the house. That's freaking unreal. There's a lot going on in the crypto world. I hope you've all got your drinks or your coffee, wherever you are. This is limoncello, by the way. I'm having a drink. I'm doing a Raoul Pal. He has a couple of wines when he's doing a live talking with his audience. And by the way, my dog Gucci's running around like crazy right now. This is as real as it gets, all right? You guys want real freaking content? This is real shit right now. So my dog Gucci's running around outside because I've been literally working at the office all freaking day today on Earn Curve, speaking to so many brokers and seed funders. Gosh, signing a lot of contracts, negotiations are taking place. Hey Gooch, do you want to come say hello? No, she's in a mood. She might come into the video, who knows? So, and she does whatever she wants, I'm telling you. She's the queen of the house. But anyway, so yeah, there's a lot going on with that. But I mean, keeping an update on these crypto markets is insane. It's just a wild time in the crypto markets, guys. It is incredibly bullish. Yes, I've been seeing updates as well that Donald Trump has picked a new SEC chairman to take over from Gary Gensler, which is about freaking time. It is about freaking time that Gary Gensler is removed from the SEC. He's caused so much damage in this space. It's just mind-blowing that he's still there. So that's really good to see that. And of course, we've got Doge as well, which is going to be cleaning up a lot of the US, I guess, Washington, the government there or Congress in there. It's going to be cleaned out. It's just a breath of fresh air in crypto. Now, there were some predictions that I saw today, and there's actually on my Instagram account. There are so many predictions coming out, and I can tell you right now that none of them, here she is, I told you she'd come. Come here. Here we are. I told you she'd come to the video. So this is Gucci, everyone. This is my Frenchie. Hey, Bubba. She's bullish on XRP, that's for sure. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, again, this is live, so welcome to the live stream. But there were some predictions that were put out by like 6 or 7 major, obviously, fund managers like Cathie Woods, Rob Kiyosaki. I know a lot of people don't like him, but I personally do. If you haven't read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which I've got my microphone sitting on right now, suggest you go watch that. But I mean, every single one of them, even Tyler Winklevoss, the Winklevoss twins, every single one of them is above 100K. This Christmas, I'm talking in the next 4 to 5 weeks, above 100,000 US dollars. That is a given, right? That is why I've got my long position. I'm going to show you guys, so make sure you stick around to the end of this. I'm going to put her down because she's getting frustrated. There you go, Bubba. I've got my long position open up on Bitcoin. I got in at 73,000 US dollars. Open that long position again. My trading bots with 3 commas are going parabolic at the moment. It's just an all-round good time. So welcome to the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's have a look here. We've got Steady Bull. That's awesome. Hi from Switzerland. How you going? Let's have a look here. What I've got, Long Island, New York. You got a coffee over there now because I think it's morning. What time is it in New York? 6:15 in the morning. Wow, good morning. London and New York on this bad boy right here, which is pretty cool. Let's have a look here. Just broke out my little wedge. Is 20K of XRP good, bag, or keep accumulating? We're going to get to that as well, guys. So just make sure you stick around to the end because, I mean, I've been getting a lot of questions on, you know, what kind of an allocation you should have, how much. And I really can't give financial advice. But if you get the Wall Street Bull University or the Patreon, even join up as a free member, I can let loose a little bit in there. Just, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's get into the video and the live stream, guys. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this live stream a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, guys. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor yet. So please make sure you do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yeah, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So be careful, do your own research and due diligence. All right. Welcome to the live stream again. Currently 184 people watching at the moment, which is unreal. I've been quite busy. So I haven't been able to get these lives and I haven't been able to film consecutively every single day. So I do apologize about that. I'm literally going mad building this app. It is happening. Now, just quickly in the community tab, gonna have a quick sip of my limoncello. This shit is so strong. Oh, I swear you could power a car off that. It is so freaking strong. Does anyone like limoncello? Woo! That wakes you up. Does anyone like limoncello? A limoncello spritz would be nice, actually. Bit of nicotine here. This is why kids shouldn't watch my channel because, anyway, let's move on. Let's get into it, guys. And again, leave your questions to the end. I'm going to get through all the news and we'll get into all of that. Yeah, no kidding. This was 22 hours ago. 854 USDT was made with my trading bots. 495 USDT on the 18th. 359 USDT on the 19th. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've been consistent with this. I've been posting up the bots in the community tab, in the Wall Street Bull University, on my X page, everywhere. a lot of people, unfortunately, what happens with this, they try it out, it works for a little bit, and yet to be fair, the crypto market's been extremely volatile, right? And I'm trading with leverage with these bots. Some of these bots I've traded, this is no BS, I've traded with sometimes, 5x, 3x, 10x. At the peak of the bull market a few years ago, I was trading at like 15x, 20x. These bots were making in the previous bull market, this is no bullshit, they were making around about $1,000 a day, which is life-changing for a few people. And I know a lot of investors made some significant money with this, but I mean, it's up to you. Do your own research. I'm not telling you what to do. But anyway, go join up in the Wall Street Bull University. You can get those links, or you can just do the links yourself. It's up to you. Everything's in the description, all right? So the 3 commas bots, and I'm using Gate.io with these bots. And I get asked all the time, why do you use Gate.io? Because Gate.io, believe it or not, has not been, I guess, regulated by the Australian Securities Commission, or ASIC. I believe a lot of people are having trouble with their exchanges trading with leverage. Now in Australia, we have to be qualified wholesale investor, which is an absolute nightmare. And then basically what happened with one of my other sponsors, OKX, great exchange, great people, just really cool, right? Exchange. But unfortunately what they did was they opened an office here in Australia, and OKX unfortunately had to come into compliance with ASIC, the regulator, right? Pretty much what I'm doing with Earn Curve at the moment. You have to come compliant. If you're not compliant, you're going to get shut down. It's as simple as that, and you're going to get massive fines. So OKX had to become compliant in order to offer, I guess, securities and margin trading and leverage trading, whatever you want to call it, perpetual futures. They had to come into compliance. That means retail investors cannot trade with leverage in Australia. And I'm pretty sure it's the same in the United States. I'm pretty sure it's the same in Canada. I'm pretty sure it's the same in the UK and some Asia Pacific countries. Let me know in the comments if you, have that issue with your trading. So what I made the decision was to obviously go to Bybit. Bybit, nothing wrong with the exchange, it's pretty cool, but they have a unified trading account on Bybit, and it's an absolute disaster, to be quite honest with you. And then I figured I'd try Gate.io because I'd used it in the past. And it is a pretty big exchange, I'm just putting that out there as well. So Gate.io is huge, and that's basically how I can trade with leverage. Now I did ask my referral person at the exchange at Gate.io, they do not have an office here in Australia. So of course, they can still offer those services. I'm not sure how that works, but anyway, I'm going to be using it for as far as I can and as long as I can. Anyway, welcome to the live stream, guys. Anyway, I did put up a post yesterday as well, and unfortunately, listen to this story, right? You guys want to listen to this. This is going to freak you the F out, all right? This is crazy. Have a drink with this one. Listen to this story, all right? So I get a call from a friend of mine last night, and I get asked this question about how to recover their cryptos. This friend of mine lost $300,000 to $350,000 worth in Bitcoin last night. All right, and that prompted me to basically put up a post in the community tab and make a video last night, obviously on my social media channels, my actual ones, not the fake accounts that people try to steal, but on how to protect yourself in crypto. There are a lot of new investors in this crypto space. As you know, when things get exciting, everybody wants to get in on it. Everyone wants to jump in, but unfortunately what happens is people don't know how to protect their crypto assets, and they don't know how to secure themselves in this space. It's serious, right? So the friend of mine told me the other day, or yesterday, they received a phone call from a number. This particular friend of mine, obviously wasn't privy to what happens in the crypto space with scams. The phone call was from an unknown number. That person then pretended they were from the exchange, or I think it was MetaMask or something like that, or there's another one there. What was the other one? Another crypto wallet. Anyway, hot wallet. Then what happened was they said that their cryptocurrencies were being corrupted, and they sent a link with a text message, right, to go to a website. Now, unfortunately, there's a lot of people that don't understand what the hell this means, so they just naturally think, oh yeah, I hold cryptocurrencies, whatever, and they click the link, bang, immediately they crypto, they put in the details of their wallet, name, whatever, and the hackers can get into it. It's as simple as that. So I just wanted to say to everybody, please, 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 no freaking influencer on this entire freaking YouTube channel talks about this, all right? I'm no bullshit on my channel. Everyone knows that. You need two-factor authentication on all your exchanges. Everything that you do, two-factor authentication. I don't care what it is. Use your Apple one that's built in your phone. Use Android. I don't have an Android and I need to get one for the developers app. Use your two-factor authentication on that. Make sure you have all of that enabled. Get Google Authenticator. I use that. I mean, everyone around the world uses that. No one messes with Google, right? We know this. They're just too big and powerful, right? So two-factor authentication on everything. Enable every single security feature you can, all right? You get your email notifications that if you're withdrawing or depositing. Sometimes some crypto exchanges as well have other security features. They're all unique, but they're all pretty much the same thing. So enable everything, all right? Never click on any freaking emails you get from an exchange. Never do it, right? Unless you've specifically clicked something on an exchange or a wallet and it requires you to get an email notification when you're like withdrawing cryptos, for example, right? I know for a fact Coinspot do that, which is pretty good, and I'm pretty sure Coinbase does as well. So make sure you ignore any unwarranted emails from BS scammers, all right? Because the minute you click those links, you're gone. This is what happens. It happened with me. Now, this one's an interesting one, but you got to check your computers for malware and spyware at least once a week, especially during these bull markets, okay? What happened to me in the previous crypto bull market, I had a MetaMask wallet, and I do not use MetaMask anymore. No bullshit, I do not use it. What happened was I had a bit of malware on my computer. It found out that I had a MetaMask wallet as well at work on the computer, and I had it logged in, and bang, I went there about an hour or two later and it wiped out my entire crypto wallet. And I was probably about 3 or 4 grand worth of crypto in there. Also, when you're hooking it up for like staking, be careful with staking as well, because if it asks you to link up your MetaMask wallet, that is just a pure gateway to steal your crypto, all right? Never do that. I don't use MetaMask, and I will never use it again because I got hacked and lost a lot of money. I mean, obviously for some people it's nothing, but still it's a lot for me. Anyway, be careful with that. The other thing is as well, never buy your crypto cold storage wallets. Now, if you don't know anything about that because you're new in this space, always buy them directly from the brand's website, like Ledger, Alipol, Trezor. Never buy crypto cold storage wallets from Amazon or eBay. They can be uploaded with scams and software, so be careful with that. So be careful. Always buy from legitimate websites. You can Google them. You will know if it's a legitimate website, trust me. If not, in actual fact, I will link them in the community tab for everyone. Keep records of all your positions as well. That's very important. Try to keep regular screenshots. Try and do it every day just in case. I mean, the likelihood of you recovering stolen cryptos is very limited, so just be mindful of that. This one's an interesting one. When you're transferring your cryptos from either a hot wallet to a cold wallet or vice versa, or moving them from exchanges, whatever you're doing, always triple, quadruple check your wallet address. One thing that got me as well, I had a piece of malware on the computer. This was interesting, right? When I was moving cryptocurrencies from exchange to exchange, could have been from Kraken to Gate.io or Coinbase or whatever it was. The malware was changing when I pushed copy. Get this, right? When I was pushing copy on the web browser, you know how we can copy those, it was actually changing the wallet address for a hacker. So this is what happens as well. So you need to make sure you're checking that all the time. Don't just rely on the copy button from the exchange and then paste it into wherever you're putting that crypto. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Make sure you check it 10 times over if you have to. Read every single number and or letter in that wallet address, right? That's very important. Also, the other thing I just want to end up on the community tab, guys. If you are holding cryptos in one particular, like all your cryptos in one spot, do not do that. Spread it out. I don't give a shit what anyone says. Spread out your crypto, all right? Don't keep it all in one spot, because if something happens to that, you're gone. It's as simple as that. Spread it out. If you've got it on a cold, keep some on a cold storage wallet, keep some on an exchange, a hot wallet, whatever it may be. Make sure you spread it out, all right? Just a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. So unless something happens, you haven't lost it all. That's most important as well. And your seed phrase is the number one thing as well. Obviously, for those of you who are new in this space, your crypto seed phrase, your either 12 or 24 word seed phrase is your crypto. That is your money right there in that. You can recover it with any wallet pretty much with that seed phrase. So your mnemonic seed phrase, whatever it may be. So make sure you write it down, your seed phrase, your 12 or 24 words. Etch it into stone or metal. I know you can buy the metal plaques now as well. Put it in a vault somewhere. Tell a significant other, and that is it. Don't tell anyone that you're holding how much crypto you're holding, because at this time it's different. It really is, guys, that it's different this time around. Shit's going to get pretty wild in this bull market. This is a very different bull market. I don't think a lot of people quite understand it. We have regulatory clarity on crypto. We have a crypto-friendly president in the United States. There's ETFs on Wall Street now. The market's completely different. It's turned from being a speculative asset to a full-blown investment or asset class in itself on Wall Street. That wasn't around in the previous bull market, so it's completely different now. But anyway, guys, that's the security check. And we're going to go through the top altcoins now. Welcome to the live stream. I just felt like talking to my community. So where are you guys watching from? Let's have a look here. Gensler won't quit until the last day. The weasel. Yeah, he is a weasel. I think so. XRP greening right now. Thank goodness. Yeah. AC Cobra, I'm not selling anything. The party's just starting. Look, to be quite honest with you, I think the peak of the bull market's going to be next year anyway, June 2025. So you most likely will have to sell something to take some profits. Don't let the market take them for you. But we could be in for a wild ride. Anyway, let's have a look here. Hello from Melbourne. Everybody is an adventure. Joe D, if it gets to $1.20 whilst you are live, give us a drum roll. Yeah, I will. But I think the cops will be at my doorstep. England, Germany, Nigeria. Would have got is that Lancaster? Lancashire, UK, West Coast, Tassie, Tennessee. Awesome. All right, let's get into it, guys. So obviously, yes, I do have all of the juicy stuff coming up. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap today. We do have $3.11 trillion. Okay, I mean this is getting well over the previous bull market territory. All right, 3.1 trillion. That is juicy. $180 billion in volume. It's up 138%. That is ridiculous. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 83. How good is that? How good is that? Where is Bitcoin dominance, man? I don't know what CoinMarketCap is doing with this. It's weird. Let's have a look here. The Fear and Greed Index. Let's have a look here. Oh, here we go. 59% Bitcoin dominance, of course. Ethereum's at 12%. Does anyone actually remember when, XRP was ranked number 2? If you don't believe me, go look it up. It was 2018 before Jay Clayton gave this stupid speech and just picked Ethereum. I don't even know why. Why would he do that? It's just nuts. Anyway, we've got Bitcoin currently trading at the moment $93,266. Let's have a look in the last 24 hours. We're up 1.71%, 6% in a week, 30 days, 36%. Look at that. That's incredible. 90 days right here. It's up 52%, and we're up 100. Call it 150, 150% on the year. That is freaking wild. What other asset class generates this kind of return? None. It's as simple as that. Absolutely none. We do have Ethereum currently trading at $3,099. Yeah, it is part of my portfolio, but I do not get excited on Ethereum. Does anyone get excited on Ethereum? I'm serious, right? I'm talking to everybody now because this is what I wanted to do. I want to speak to everyone. Let me know in the comments if you are excited about Ethereum, because I'm not. Genuinely, I know it's the favorite of Gary Gensler and all that BS, but let me know in the comments. Let me know. I'm serious about this. Let me have a look. Solana as well, $236. That is a freaking gem, in my opinion. I do believe it will have a run like it did like Ethereum did in the previous bull market. Again, I got into Solana when it collapsed with Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX. I think I'm not bullshitting you. I think I bought it at 22 Australian dollars because it just went like boom, and I bought right at the bottom there. So that's been my best performing asset, Solana, which is it's just ridiculous. Let's have a look here. XRP is in the green. Oh, this is nice. Let's have a look. We're at 1.57% on the hour. XRP army. How good is that? That's cheers to everybody on XRP, because on the weekend, I don't know if anyone will see, it was just wild. Like the banking coins were pumped. It was just a thing of beauty. Like every single banking coin, my favorite coins, was going parabolic. Seriously. It was just beautiful. 24 hours, $1. Oh, it was not $1. Up 1.92%, $1.12. Look at that. Look at it. 66% in a week. In a week. That is amazing. That's obviously based on Gary Gensler's news right there, getting fired by Donald Trump. That is bullish right here. 100% return. I mean, in 30 days. Just makes us very happy for the XRP army. I mean, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Good morning, everyone, from around the world, by the way, because I know it's morning. Unbelievable, man. 100% return. This is just the beginning. It is no longer a stable coin. So there was so much speculation that XRP was a stable coin. No, it was never a stable coin. The price was being hindered by Gary Gensler and his absolute moronic SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission. Ridiculous. Doge, what's Doge doing, guys? I'm still holding on to my Doge at 1.3%, 24 hours. 30 days is ridiculous. 166% in 30 days. 263%. That is insane. Wow. Thank you, Elon Musk. Put it that way. What's happening with RLUSD, by the way, Ripple stablecoin? I haven't been keeping an eye on it, to be honest with you. I haven't kept an eye on it, man. Has it been listed yet? I think it got listed on Coinbase, I believe it was. Oh, actually, CoinMarketCap did list it, I should say. Let's have a quick look, because I'm not going to get into that. Let's have a look. RLUSD. This is Ripple stablecoin. Okay, so they've matched it with... They've paired it. Here we go. Interesting right here. I will use it. 100%. I will use it. I will use Ripple's stablecoin. Let me know in the comments if you will use it. I'm curious about that. Let's have a look here. In actual fact, let's do something interesting, all right? Because again, I'm having a drink. I'm relaxing. I've just been working my absolute backside off. I'm not kidding. Let's have a look here. Market cap 93, or I should say 93,000 Bitcoin. This is my banking coin list. Banking coins. In actual fact, let's go 24 hours. Look at this. If you haven't got a watch list, by the way, you do need this one. This is the ultimate banking list. This is no BS, all right? Cardano, 82 cents. Constellation DAG is working with the US Air Force for security. It's an incredible blockchain at 5 cents. Algorand, long-term play with me. XLM is 24 cents. Electronium, I'm still holding it. People ask me, why the hell have you got Electronium? It is part of the Digital Pound Foundation. Go look it up. No BS. That is also with Ripple, and I should say XRP. And Quant. Quant is a coin that I've been holding for a freaking long time. Does anyone actually hold Quant? Interesting. Moby, Casper. That's CSPR, by the way. I just want to make that very clear. XRPs and their Bitcoin is, of course, is digital gold. AVAX. AVAX is a good coin. I actually really like that one. Ethereum, 3,096. Nextra, I do hold Nextra. These ones are down at the moment. Quant is at 87 US dollars today. I've been holding Quant for 4 years. 4 freaking years, and it's been pretty flat, I will say. Chainlink as well, $14. Let me know if you hold any of these coins in the comments. Go on. We've got World. It used to be World Coin, but Sam Altman changed it to just World. I don't know what they're doing with the orbs. It's a weird digital identity project. I mean, Sam Altman, I mean, he's the founder of ChatGPT anyway, which is freaking amazing. But World, it is part of the banking coins list. It is. It's $2.37. IOTA's at 17 cents. Solana's in there. We have Flare at 1 cent. At Wave of Innovation on the Gold Coast when I was up there for the XRP convention was freaking awesome. I can't wait for that next year. I have to figure out what was going on with there was some interesting, I can't remember exactly. I was being told about it that there was a staking protocol or something like that where people were earning ridiculous money, and I'm actually curious to see what happened with that. So if you do know, can you DM me on X, because I can't remember. It was just too much happening that day. It was ridiculous. Sallo's in there at 67 cents. XDC, Sinfin. It is tokenizing gold. No BS in the UAE trade finance. This is a gem in my opinion. We have Sologenic as well. Solo's great. LCX is a crypto exchange in Liechtenstein. Don't ask me how the hell I remember that. And they are literally tokenizing diamonds. Wild. Also, Energy Web token. Carbon credits. By 2030, everything's going to be carbon emission free. And it's going to be on the blockchain. Energy Web token. Do not sleep on this one, in my opinion. And of course, Hedera has been freaking pumping. 116% in 7 days. Hashgraph technology. It's very unique to Hedera. Go check out the actual website. Read up on Hedera Hashgraph. Let me know in the comments what you think about Hedera. Their governance board alone, meaning like the organization that basically controls the protocol, is huge. Seriously. I mean, they have LG in there. They have FPOS in there. They have, I think it was Boeing. Not that they're doing too good anyway, but I mean, like, just fascinating. Their governance board. Go and have a look at it. I think it's DLA Piper, which I believe are accountants off the top of my head. But go look up Hedera. But anyway, that's the ultimate list. There you go. Anyway, welcome to the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's have a look here. A couple of quick questions. I'm going to sort of read these as I go because there's so many of them. Haters call XRP a stablecoin. Yeah, they do, actually. They do definitely call it a stablecoin. It's not a freaking stablecoin. Come on. It peaked at $3. It's not a stablecoin at $3. Really, look at its utility. It was never meant for a stablecoin. That's why they made RLUSD. Think about it. Going to be using RLUSD to offload in the peak of the bull run. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good option. Good strategy, by the way. I like that. Only holding all the X coins. Amazing. Quant, yes. Pumping, yes. Love Quant. Thailand's in the house. Welcome, XRP1. I'm watching from GC. That's awesome. I'm assuming that's the Gold Coast, and if that is, please send some more. Actually, you know what? I take that back, because tomorrow in Melbourne it's going to be like 40, like not 40, 30 degrees or 29 degrees. So we're starting to get warmer here in summer. I think it's going to be a lot colder around the rest of the world. Let's have a look here. Kenny, 50 Quant here. That's amazing. By the way, never tell anyone how much you're holding. Never tell anyone how much crypto you're holding. Just put it out. We're cool here. There's no bullshit here, but just never tell anyone how much crypto you're holding, because that's dangerous, all right? A lot of jealous people out there. Good morning from Texas. How you going, Raymond? Welcome, mate. By the way, I'd love to go to Texas and get myself a freaking cowboy hat and some cowboy boots. Man, that's awesome. An actual fact, sorry, just random, because my brain's a bit ADHD at the moment. Elon Musk's cowboy boots, man. Has anyone actually noticed them? He wears freaking black cowboy boots everywhere. It's freaking awesome. Love it. Looking forward to watching the XRP documentary. Yep, 100%. XYO coin. I've been in XYO for a very long time. In actual fact, before we get into some news, I mean, this is the whole point of having conversation with investors around the world. Let's have a look at what XYO is doing, because I think I saw it pumping like 70%. Holy moly, look at this. Wow, 53 or 32% in 24 hours. That is ridiculous. Wow. Wow. 7 days right here, 53%. XYO is incredible. I actually haven't kept, I've been an investor in this for a long time. I haven't sold. XYO is a pretty cool project back, when I was, pretty bullish, and I still am, by the way. Geospatial tracking technology. They had a lot to do with rental cars and medical and stuff, and they also had a little key tag where you could actually earn money on an app. Now, don't ask me where that is at the moment. I haven't been on that for years. I've probably got I don't know, some ridiculous amount of coins in there, because what happens is the app tracks your movement, and you get actually earn coin or something like that, and you can claim XYO. I don't know. I haven't even checked it, so we'll have a look at that. Anyway, let's get into the news, guys. I think it's very important. And yeah, it's after work now. It's 11 o'clock, so I'm going to get through this. By the way, if you have not joined the Wall Street Bull University, go join up to it, guys. Everything's in there. Everything's in there, and I can guarantee you're going to be making money from the stuff that I'm putting up there. That's no BS, and it's allowed in there because it's my own world. It's not the YouTube world. All right, so go join up. Link is below. Having a look at my bots. Now, I get a lot of questions about this. I did make a dedicated video on my channel for 3 commas the other day, or yesterday, I believe it was. So if you're curious on how to use it, you can watch the video, literally. Now, going to my YouTube channel, you can see I made the video the other day. Go check it out. It's only got 400 views. Why? Why has this thing only got freaking 400 views? Go watch it. It's no bull. Go watch it. It's insane. So here it is. This is the mobile app. Now, if you haven't gone to watch that video, these are all my bots that I've got set. I've got one set up on Sui in a long position, 10x leverage. Now, again, this is not financial advice. Be careful with leverage because you can get wiped real quick, all right? XRP, I've got my Trump bot. I had to make a Trump. Come on. This is just a given. My Doge bot, I've got 63 pairs trading on this one. Sui, and of course I've got Bitcoin, the OGs right here. These are the coins I freaking love. All right, so they're running for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They don't stop. Coming over to Gate.io, as you can see, look at this. It's closing deals for me even when I'm doing a YouTube live. This is no BS. I've currently got 31 positions trading. I don't know about you guys, but trading 31 cryptocurrencies at one freaking time is virtually impossible. You just would not be able to do it. Nothing wrong with day trading. I'm not hating on it. But who the hell has time to sit in front of a freaking computer and trade cryptos all day, every day? I mean, if you do, I envy you, because I don't. We all live busy lives, guys. We've got to make that little bit of extra cash on the side. As you can see right here, this is my current Bitcoin position. Right here. It's 0.04 Bitcoin. I'm up 976 USDT on this. That's 275%. I believe it was around about don't quote me on this, 4,500 USDT, which is freaking insane. I got in at Bitcoin right there. You can see the entry price is 73,000 USDT, and it's currently trading at the moment 93,000. Now, again, I don't know where the market's going to go, and no one actually does, but I can honestly and safely say that it's going to be going a lot higher than this, and a lot higher than 100K. There's no doubt in my mind. And if you've watched Michael Saylor's interview, there's been a few of them actually. I watched one on Patrick Bet-Davis. Go watch that interview with Michael Saylor. He's putting out price predictions that Bitcoin by 2050 is going to be $13 million US. I'm not kidding. Go watch it. Just go watch it. You can see my position on XRP, Sui right here, Monero, Uniswap. This is the bots, right? Floki. You can trade meme coins. I trade the meme coins with this. I don't hold them. Theta, long positions, Immutable X, ICP, Fetch AI, Popcat. Why the hell would I buy Popcat? Pendle, Doge. Here's my Doge position right here. It's up 128 USD. It's 65%. That's crazy. We've got Render right here. We have WUSDT, Perp. So obviously, again, I don't know what that is. BNB. Not that I invest BNB anyway. It's not really interesting, to be honest. VeChain. We have ENA. Brett. Meme coins, guys. Stark USDT. We have Litecoin. TRX, we have Near Protocol, Arbitrum, I believe that is. Jupe USD, we have GRT, the Graph, we have Filecoin, and there you go. So the bots actually freaking work. They actually work, all right? And for those of you who are going to, oh, you're talking shit here. No, I'm not. Let me have a look here for a second. I'm going to show you something. Check this out. Position history. This is where people don't understand this software allows you to trade the freaking markets 24 hours a day. It trades for you when you're sleeping. Anyway, do what you will. It's not financial advice. See, look at the profits, all right? This is today, the 20th of November, and this year's gone freaking crazy. Look at this. Look at it. Right there. Just nothing but gains, profits. And, you know, I mean, look at this. I mean, that's 460. This trades so many times that the software, look at this one. That was a juicy one there. $7.86 USDT. This trades so many times that your accountant's going to freaking love you. Put it that way, right? Impossible. It'd just be ridiculous. But anyway, go check it out. Wall Street Bull University, guys. I'll be here for hours if I keep rambling on about that. Where are we going on here? Gold and silver won't be dumb decision either. Yep, loved my silver. I wish I knew how to trade some Bitcoin. I've got a handful. Awesome. Let's have a look here, a couple of things here. Starts trading on the first tier 1 exchange gate in 15 minutes. Why would you do so many trades? The bots do the trades for you. So you can set it to how many trades you want, by the way. Just putting that out there. Now, let's get into the news because this is important. And, of course, earn curve. Now, I've been rambling on about this, all the other news and stuff, but the earn curve, guys, my application is happening. The broker's been secured with contracts in New York, so that has been happening. I've been approaching a lot of seed funders for this. So the seed funding stage is well and truly underway. Company registrations and, of course, licensing is also being sourced because, again, it is a regulated industry with the stock market and in the crypto world as well. You actually need licenses, believe it or not, and it's big capital. So, again, feel free to join the waitlist. They're currently at 324 people, probably more by this evening, or 327 people. So it's actually growing significantly. Here's a preview of it, which is freaking amazing. There you go. So there will be portfolios set up already, so I've already done all the work. Basically, it's going to be an incredible app. So you can go fill out your details here, your name, your last name, email, and phone number. And if you feel like donating, I'm not asking you to, and you can do whatever you like. Please do, because that does help me a lot. And again, most of the funds that have been raised, I believe there's like $5,000 that have been raised. Most of that's still in the account because, again, it's, you know, there's a lot of negotiations going on with paperwork at the moment, so a lot of paper pushing and coming into those licenses, all right? So make sure you go join up to earncurveinvest.com. Crypto bubbles, I'm not going to even go into that because we've been into that now. Let's get into some news. XRP wobbles as Ripple CEO questions Trump's potential SEC chair pick. I don't even think this is a reason to wobble XRP price, but despite the weekly surge of 57%, it is down 3.4 today. Now, announcement of MICA's compliant stablecoin XRPL is a potential Ripple and Cardano collaborations, which is bullish. Speculation about the SEC chair Gensler resigning has positively influenced XRP. Of course it has. Amidst the election results. And Brad Garlinghouse criticizes the potential SEC chair candidate Robert Stebbins for the past regulatory actions. Now again, interesting though, I don't believe Trump is eyeing off Robert Stebbins. There is a new potential candidate for the SEC chair. Now we're going to have a look at that quickly, which is down here. Look at this. This is nice. Has anyone seen this? Trump considers crypto lawyer Teresa Goody, Jillian, that's how you pronounce her name, forgive me if I'm wrong, for the SEC chair. Key takeaways: Teresa basically is being considered as the SEC chair in potential Trump administration. And Goody, or Teresa, has support for the crypto industry due to her pro-crypto stance and SEC experience, which is freaking nice. And Gucci's just run outside. I don't know what she's doing. Gucci! This is live. I can't believe it. Whatever, man. This is real shit. She's run out. She's chasing the possums, right? Anyway, welcome to Australia, people. President-elect Donald Trump is reportedly considering Teresa, a blockchain lawyer, which is bullish, and a former SEC attorney to lead the SEC, according to CoinDesk. This consideration comes amid speculation that the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, may step down by Thanksgiving, after hinting last week that he was preparing to leave his position. I mean, just when the F... we've been waiting for so freaking long. 4 years. I've been investing in cryptocurrency since 2016 when I first got into crypto. No BS. And now Gary Gensler's leaving after all of that money being spent on the lawsuit with Ripple. Oh, wow. What a year coming to an end. The crypto industry is eagerly anticipating the appointment of the new SEC chair. I'm still in shock about this. I really am, particularly as Gensler's tenure has been marked by a hostile stance towards crypto. A fresh leader, potentially more lenient toward the crypto industry, would be welcome change as Trump prepares to take office January 2025. Merry freaking Christmas to everybody, right? And Teresa has emerged as a strong contender, co-leading Baker Hostetler's blockchain. I can't even freaking pronounce that. She has garnered significant support from the crypto companies thanks to her experience at the SEC and her work representing blockchain firms. Could you imagine if we have a pro-crypto SEC chairman? Wow. He highlighted her deep understanding of the laws and workings of the SEC, emphasizing that she would be an instant change maker capable of dramatically transforming the industry with her pro-crypto stance. Now, I just want to make this very clear that Gary Gensler did work at MIT. Right? There is multiple videos over the years that we've seen of Gary Gensler speaking about XRP and about Algorand, I believe it was, or IOTA. It was one of those crypto. It was one of them at MIT. So just let's see what happens here. But I know that Donald Trump, if whoever acts up, is going to get their, they're going to get kicked out the door pretty much, right? I know that for a fact. Anyway, moving on. We do have Ripple Whales quietly acquiring $526 million in XRP, signaling the market optimism. Whales are buying. Bitcoin odds. Now, this is interesting. Polymarket, I don't know if anyone's actually watched this, but they called the election, believe it or not. They were freaking pretty good about this, and I think they got sued in Europe for some reason. But the chance of Bitcoin reaching $100,000 by this year's end has surged by 72%, fueled by investor optimism and potential ETF approval. I mean, okay, fair enough. There's already ETFs, but anyway, it's going to get truly higher than that. Chainlink collaborations. Just wait for my computer to load. We have Microsoft right here collaborating with Chainlink on a central bank digital currency commissioned by Brazil's central bank. I do not like central bank digital currencies. I do not want the government looking at us even further. I'm sorry, but it's just annoying. Ethereum is eyeing off $3,700 target amid the smart money influx. Ethereum revisits the $3,000 level. However, it cracks $3,200, then potential rally to $3,700. Bring it on. Whatever. I'm only in it for the money. I don't really like Ethereum, to be honest with you. I'm just being honest. We have Sky launches a USDS stablecoin on Solana. Okay, this is an interesting one right here. Sky, previously known as Maker, has launched its USDS stablecoin on Solana blockchain, marking the introduction of the network's first major DeFi or decentralized finance native stablecoin. I would only trust Ripple, to be honest with you. That is regulated. That is regulated. Wow, that limoncello was strong. Sui Network, or I should say Lemonade, right? Sui Network prints multiple on-chain milestone. Does anyone hold Sui? There has been 2,900 people that have watched this live stream. 386 are currently watching at the moment. Does anyone hold Sui? I want to know right now. I'm going to wait for you guys. I'm going to answer this. I want to see who's holding Sui right now. It's not financial advice, by the way. Who's holding Sui? Go on. Let's have a look. Does anyone hold Sui? Kalima, yes. Diamond Rough, not here. Sean, yes. I'm watching your comments live. Nom nom, no. Why no? I hold a little Sui. Cool. Does anyone hold it? No. We've got Sea Dog right here. Avalanche, the King. Shannon, how you going, mate? Larry, we have yes. Michael, nope. Stephen, no, yes. We have Realistic, yes. Sui and Hasui right here. Very nice. Okay, so we've got a few people in here. Got 500 little critters. Yeah, okay, that's good. So some people actually hold Sui. That's good. Very, very good. I'm bullish on Sui. And Sui Network just scored the total volume of TVL, high of $1.38 billion. The Sui token has continued to breach impressive local highs, and market analysts see high price levels for Sui amid the ongoing bull cycle, which is nice. And again, Layer 1 blockchain recently reached an important milestone. Again, showing its growing impact on its outlook, and the network's native token Sui increased its price by 90% from its all-time low ATL. Now, Sui recent price, again, $3.75 marks a sustained uptrend. Our previous gains accrued in the past week. Sui's current market cap is topped at $10 billion. And at the time of this, writing, the price has recorded a new all-time high of $3.92. Intriguingly, the Sui network has been seen as a significant rise in transaction volume, indicating more individual usage. Anyway, layer ones are going to be incredible, and Sui is definitely on Grayscale's list. And if you haven't gone to look at the Grayscale list, please do that. Look at the cryptocurrencies in there. Anyway, that's incredible. We've got it here. Please say Avalanche. M watching from India. AVAX is cool, man. Why say more Say Sui than myself? I like Say as well. CLV. I'm here. I'm new here, North Carolina. Welcome, Edgar. Welcome to the family. I believe Sui is going to change the game. Yeah, 100%. Please say more about... I can't really say more about AVAX. I do hold it. It's part of my banking coins. Has Gary left? Not yet. He's going to be leaving soon. Anyway, let's get into X, guys. And I'm going to end up on this. I've been on this stream for like an hour. I'm doing a Raoul Power here, that's for sure. And if you have followed me on my actual X account, thank you very much. And if, again, I'm going to say to this, if you have not gone to join the wait list for Earn Curve, please go do that. Go join up on Earn Curve right here. And again, I've got my Earn Curve profile, which is currently sitting at 243 people. That is friggin' amazing. See that number right there, 400 I want to try and crack tonight. If you have not gone to sign up to Earn Curve Invest, there is the freaking website. Go sign up to this. All right, I'm not kidding about this. This is real stuff right here. The I can't even disclose it because there's NDA signed everywhere. I'm not kidding. It's wild. The investment strategies here are going to revolutionize investing, both on Wall Street and in crypto, right? It's just an application that I've put so much thought into this. I've been wanting to build this app for 5 freaking years, and it's happening. Vision to reality, no BS. Go join up on the wait list. I want to see everybody join that. And by the way, while I'm on a freaking live stream, how good is this? All right, so I did put this up 11 hours ago this morning because this is incredible. I have got the Founders Circle on Earn Curve, and I'm just showing you guys this. So go join up on the X page. Go on. All of these incredible people have helped me get to this point. I can't even begin to explain to you, but all of these incredible people. I can't say all of your names, but thank you so much. You have joined the Founders Circle. Look at that. There's like 127 people, so thank you very much. I can't even, there's so many of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Go follow me on X, go join up on the wait list. Anyway, let's get to the bullish news here on X as well. Earn Curve is bullish. It's just going to be nuts. Now, let's have a look here. What's going on X at the moment? I've been tweeting a few things. Thomas, thank you for this tweet. We have ARK buying 2,870 Bitcoin. Fidelity buying 2,750 Bitcoin, and BlackRock 2,320 Bitcoin. BlackRock is the biggest holder on Wall Street of Bitcoin, period. Then again, Michael Saylor's just borrowing up significant amount of cash. Now we have a whale bought 2,189 Bitcoin worth $200 million on Binance. That's just mind freaking blown. Yes, we've just gone through the new potential SEC chair that is flying around everywhere. 21 shares rebrands its Ethereum Core ETP to Ethereum Core Staking ETP as well, introducing Ethereum staking functionality. Okay, fair enough. 21 shares is pretty incredible as well. Scottie Pippen, I don't know if anyone's been seeing this as well, but I'm a huge fan of Chicago Bulls, right? I mean, he's incredibly bullish on Bitcoin, which is really nice to see that as well. He's sitting down with Michael Saylor right there. That is nice. James Seifert update. Again, there was options that was approved last night on Wall Street. The final tally for IBIT's first day of options is just shy of $1.9 billion. In notional exposure traded via 354K contracts, 289K were calls, and 65K were puts. That's interesting. There's a lot of calls on there, and the ratios are 4.4 to 1. These options were almost certainly part of the move, the new Bitcoin all-time highs today. There you go. So it's just a lot of money moving through Bitcoin at the moment. Yes, there are significant banking partners with Ripple. Go look it up. There's like 300 plus partners with Ripple, which is insane. Yes, that is Michael Saylor right there. A bit of funniness. Now, Cynthia Loomis, or Senator Loomis, we should convert our gold reserves to Bitcoin to reach our $1 million Bitcoin target. In 20 years, it will cut out and eliminate our current national debt. The Bitcoin reserve proposal put in, that is going to actually push Bitcoin to astronomical levels. And I wouldn't be surprised if other governments around the world start adding Bitcoin to their reserves. I suspect that is what's going to happen very soon. I really do believe that there's going to be governments around the world, not just the United States, but a lot of governments having now Bitcoin reserves. Unbelievable. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF options, again, we've just gone over that. Now, I'm going to play this. Kevin O'Leary. All right? Some of you like him. Some of you don't like him. Whatever. You got to listen to this. And thank you to those 356 people currently still watching at the moment, and the 3,327 people that have tuned in tonight. That is insane. Have a listen to Kevin O'Leary.
Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000 long before the holiday, I think. It's so close, and there's no resistance here. This is the crypto of choice for financial institutions and sovereign wealth. They don't care about anything else, just Bitcoin. And the aspect of mining it gets more complex. Big debate about the electricity needed to do this. But at the same time, it's an alternative asset here to stay.
Weren't you over there in Qatar? There was something to do with a crypto conference over there. You had something to do with it?
Yes, I was there. We still do
was
not...
that the springboard?
Well, the truth is, sovereign wealth has still yet to get involved. People keep talking as if they are, not yet. But when they come on, this will go and go and go and go, because they're agnostic to the price. They're going to hold it...
I know. It's true, and this is what I'm trying to say. Like, there's still sovereign wealth funds that are yet to invest in Bitcoin. Sovereign wealth. Go look up sovereign wealth. It's trillions of dollars. Trillions. Look at this. Odds of Bitcoin hitting 100K this year just shot up to 75%. That is bullish. That is freaking insane. Love that. Now, I like this quote from Rob Kiyosaki. By the way, if you guys if you are new to investing, go read this freaking book, please. There's a link in the video description. Just go read it. Some of you don't like to read. Some of you can't be effed. Whatever. Just go read. Also, while I'm here as well, I might as well showcase these. Peter Lynch. Go read this freaking book, guys. Go read it. It's fucking... Excuse the language. It's freaking awesome. We have The Intelligent Investor. This is just Benjamin Graham. And I know this one's a bit dry, but Money the Master Game, Tony Robbins. And this one's an essential part of everyone's investing books. Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. This one changed my perspective on a lot of things in life, all right? So just thought I'd point that out there anyway. But Rob Kiyosaki, $13 million Bitcoin, according to Michael Saylor. I believe he is right. He's one smart boy. Bitcoin today is $90,000. If Saylor is on target, which I think he is, that means for $9,000 today, you buy 0.01 Bitcoin. Is that true? I actually haven't even done these numbers today. So you are a millionaire tomorrow. Anyway, do as you will. Elon Musk is launching This is incredible, man. This is insane. Has anyone watched this? Go watch it. It's incredible. Yes, there's a significant amount of supporters in there. Michael Saylor to represent the Microsoft board next month on buying Bitcoin. I actually watched him live at a conference earlier this year. Actual fact, maybe it was last year before Christmas. This is insane. I mean, he's mad bullish on Bitcoin. He's just, I just blows my mind he can get 0% interest, 0% on like $1 billion, 0%. He's doing it all through bonds. Unbelievable. In actual fact, I did put a post up yesterday about this. Anyway, let's have a quick listen to this.
Need for massive institutional adoption.
We'll end up on this. I'll
you've
get to
been
your
standing on the
Stick around.
Bitcoin bridge, letting everyone know it's safe, and pretty soon they're all going to come across it. Let's talk about $42 billion raise, because half of it was the largest ATM equity offering in the history of capital markets. So tell me what led to this decision, that amount,
Listen
and
to this.
how you deploy that capital.
Well,
You want to get Bitcoin as quickly as possible, right?
yeah, you can't buy Bitcoin fast enough.
Exactly.
We initially started, our initial Bitcoin purchase was out of desperation. It's like, I just don't know what else to do anymore. This is my last idea, but I have nothing to lose and I'm irritated. And so we're going to do this. And then it became opportunistic. Our stock tripled and we could raise $650 million for 70 basis points, 75, effectively free money. I thought, okay, well, we'll buy Bitcoin with that. And then our stock rallied again and we raised $1 billion for free. And I thought, well, okay, now this is very opportunistic. Someone wants to give you $1 billion for 0 coupon to something you believe in, you would take it. And then at some point it became strategic. We're just going to keep doing this. And we can do it with occasionally different types of bonds and equity and the like. And then 2024 came along and the question was, what is MicroStrategy's role? And some people thought, well, it's better to invest in Bitcoin miners or it's better to invest in Bitcoin ETFs. And MicroStrategy is just a holding company. And between the beginning of 2024 and the end, what we realized is, well, the Bitcoin miners have a business which is decaying. The protocol is decreasing their productivity 18% a year in Bitcoin terms because of the halving. And then the hash rate's exploding, which is decreasing their productivity, another factor, 20 or 30% a year because of the hash rate increase. So if you're an institutional investor and you like Bitcoin exposure, that's a big question mark. Whereas MicroStrategy was like a Bitcoin miner, but our productivity is decreasing 0% a year. And our Bitcoin is increasing 50% a year. So what the investors wanted was they wanted Bitcoin exposure with volatility and no headwind. And so MicroStrategy represented the volatility, more liquidity, no headwind. And, the result is a lot of money rotated out of Bitcoin miners into MicroStrategy as we approach the halving. And we got this boost. And then when we got this boost, our premium to net assets expanded. And then because our volatility was high, we were able to go to the convertible bond market and we sold a convertible bond. And then Bitcoin exploded and we sold another convertible bond a week later. We did 800 million, then we did another 800 million. And then a quarter later, we did another 800 million. And then a quarter later, we realized, well, we could sell $1 billion of equity at a 2 or 3 times a massive multiple to our underlying asset value. So we could sell $1 billion of equity and we could capture a $600 million gain in a few weeks. So we did that. And then we went back to the convertible bond market because the bond holder wanted another bond. So we sold that and we upside it. It was a $1 billion bond at 80 basis points. And once we got through all of that, what we realized was our real compelling business opportunity is as a Bitcoin treasury company. What we're offering is securities backed by Bitcoin. The bondholders want low risk Bitcoin. The equity holders want high performance Bitcoin. Some people want high voltage Bitcoin. Some people want low voltage Bitcoin. The ETFs are offering raw Bitcoin, raw wrapped Bitcoin. So you're getting 55 or 60 volatility and 60 ARR, and that's raw. And MicroStrategy stock was offering you double that, or 90 or even 100, sometimes 120 vol and 100 to 120 ARR. So you're getting high, levered, high voltage Bitcoin. And who wants that? Bitcoin maxis. The only thing that's better than Bitcoin is more Bitcoin.
I'm just going to end that there because, I mean, it's just mind-blowing. He's actually figured out a strategy to raise a lot of capital to buy more Bitcoin. I mean, it's through bonds and oh God, it's just incredible how he's done that. And it's quite fascinating in my opinion. Anyway, guys, yeah, Raymond, I do see that. One pair of Tecovas boots ostrich for the XRP bull ring. By the way, when I hit 100k subscribers on I'm seriously still giving that away. I've been saying that for a while now, but anyway, let's have a look here. Hi from the Netherlands. Hello. 500 banking partners. Thank you, Stephen. I appreciate that. How much XRP will be? A lot higher than what it's at now. Let's have a look here. Your earn curve won't accept my phone number, bud. Mate, you can try putting in the country code. I'm pretty sure that might be an issue there with the website. Just have a look. Just play around with the country code and the number. Because I do have a lot of people from around the world that have signed up to earn curve. So make sure you just put your country code and just play around with the numbers a bit because it definitely will work. DJ, g'day mate, how you going? Let's have a look here, a couple of questions. XRP Hordes, your title is Gensler's out, but topic is different. I've been speaking about that for a while. This has been one of my longest live streams, 1 hour and 13 minutes, which is incredible. So I've spoken about that, but yeah, I think Gary Gensler is going to be out fairly soon. I love that ring, though you give it away already. No, haven't given it away yet. 100,000k subscribers on YouTube, and I'm giving it away. There you go. It's on the channel. I've been saying it for a while now. If this is parabolic, then I've been sold some swampland. This is not parabolic yet. Wait till January, in my opinion. Buckley in Washington. How you going, Joseph? Welcome, everybody. Let's have a quick look up here as well. A couple more questions. I've got to get to bed because it's 11 o'clock and I've got a massive day tomorrow. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. A couple more questions. There's so many of you guys like there. That ring is amazing. Thank you, Turpy88. Appreciate that. XRP climbing now. That's incredible. Yeah, it's going to climb a lot higher than what it is at the moment. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to say thank you. I'm out. I'm absolutely destroyed. I am working literally day in and day and night pretty much on earn curve, guys. I'm not kidding. Looking for those seed funders and seed capital and venture capital firms around the world. So that's well and truly in progress. All the licensing required, building out the crypto investment strategies and the stocks as well. I can't really disclose too much until the app goes live because a lot of people out there want to steal the idea. But I just want to say as well that the Apple, the iOS, the App Store had to make a change with the obviously, you know, the company registration as well, because they just wanted to ensure that the users that sign up to the app on the App Store, there was a pre-application that I made just to get, you know, news out to people and so forth. They just wanted to make sure that those people that signed up were secure. That took about 3 days alone, and I'm not kidding about this much freaking paperwork. So Apple has finally sorted that out today. So the pre-application should be up in the next 48 to 72 hours. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. But if you have not gone to join Earn Curve Invest, please go do that. But thank you so much to all of you that have joined up to the waitlist for Earn Curve. Honestly, it's incredible because it's been such a learning experience building not only a mobile app, but the regulatory compliances and regulations to you know, provide a service and a platform for investors around the world. And I've been in this space, you know, investing in the stock market on Wall Street for a very long time. I've been in crypto since 2016. I've seen and identified the problems within the market, which, you know, have given me the absolute shits, and I'm fixing all of that. So, and I'm making it very, very easy for people to invest in these assets, because it's so freaking complicated and it doesn't need to be. And I'm fixing it, and it's happening. So go join up to Earn Curve Invest. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. I'm destroyed. 3,941 people have watched this live stream. Thank you so much to all of you. You guys freaking rock. Join, again, the Patreon if you want to copy the bots. Follow me on X. Follow me on Insta. All socials. I'm there all the time. And I keep an eye on the community tab as well, because I do post up there a lot. It's just easy for me. But thank you so much, guys. I'm out of here. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. And again, most importantly, if it's morning wherever you are in the world, which again, it's just past the afternoon in London and it's still morning in New York, have an espresso, have 3 espressos, have 4 espressos, and I'll speak to everyone soon, all right? But go join up on Earn Curve Invest, because I'm working my ass off for this. I'm not kidding. All right? Take care, guys. Thank you so much to all of you, and stay safe, and make sure you invest properly and secure your freaking accounts, and be careful, all right? 2FA, guys, 2FA. Peace out, bulls. Take care of yourselves. Bye.